Hello all. After a long time I'm doing this video. Due to some various reasons I am unable to upload any video. It's more than 5 years I can say. So let's talk about our topic. If you look at my previous videos, most probably I explained about the PF videos only, since because of I am basically HR professional. So my thing is that many people doesn't know how to apply PF and how to apply withdrawal and advance process. Okay, so this video is going to explain you more about the PF withdrawal success tips. Okay, many people generally they'll apply for PF without knowing anything. So it may be due to that reasons immediately PF field office may reject these applications and claim forms. So before applying any PF withdrawal or advance, they should know basic tips. Okay, before getting rejecting anything. So we should know what are the success tips. Okay, for easy claims and immediately settlements. Okay, so I'll explain you what are the success tips for any before applying for any PF withdrawal or loan process. Okay, so I'll show you step by step what are the things it's basically needed for any applying PF withdrawal. Okay. So just open your browser and here just type UAN login. Okay, go to the member home and here if you look at here you need to enter UN number. Okay, I'll enter my UN number and you need to enter the PF password, that is called UN login credentials, and here you have to enter captcha. So you have to enter correct captcha only, then sign in. So once you sign in into the UN portal, it's jump into the second factor authentication. So whatever mobile number registered with your UN number, so it will get for the OTP notification. So we will receive one notification OTP number, so we have to enter here. Okay, then once again it's a security code, it's a captcha. Okay, then submit. So this is e-nomination, so later you can do it, no problem. So this is account UN my login. Okay, so before applying any before going to the applying to the PF withdrawal process, we need to ensure some basic things. Okay, one is that first thing is that name. Okay, so what is the name? Okay, so what is the name appear into the UN portal, and what is there in your employer roles basically. Okay, that means when you at the time of joining, what name you are given. Okay, the both should be name like same, the employer database as well as UN number, whatever you log in, no, that should be matching. And second criteria is that the Aadhaar name also should be matched with the UN portal. If you look at Ongori Pondo is there, no, that should be matched with Aadhaar number as well. Okay, Aadhaar card, same thing should be there. Suppose if sometimes my name will be V Pandu only. Okay, but in this UN portal V Pandu, but when you look at the Aadhaar card, it might be different, like Ongori Pandu. Okay, it should be not like that. So both where it should be same. And if you look at, I'll show you. Okay, KYC. Okay, in this KYC, basic things are very important. One is that PAN number, which is very important. If you look at my number is Wanguri Pandu is there, and bank name, my name is Wanguri Pandu, and Aadhaar number in Aadhaar Wanguri Pandu is there. So if you look at my KYC details, all where my name is similar, okay, there is no change. Okay, there is no P Pandu or Pandu B. It's similar. Okay, it should be matched with all the records, and it should be approved by the employer. Okay, if you look at approved status and verified by online bank and approved. So these are the major important points before going to the applying to the any PF withdrawal or advance process. Okay, we have to ensure all these three: PAN, bank, and Aadhaar. Okay, these are the mandatory things. Okay, if you are okay with that only, then only you can go ahead with the next process. Okay, without applying without any uploading any KYC details into the UN portal, so you cannot go further because of this. All we PF withdrawal process and advance process will link to the KYC details only. Okay, make sure that the PAN number, bank name, and Aadhaar should be matched with the UN portal as well as your employer database. Okay, if any, I'll show you in next video how to change your Aadhaar card and all in next video. Okay, these are the main things. So you have to ensure that once you open to the UN portal, you have to ensure PAN, bank, and Aadhaar. Okay, so I'll show you next videos how to link mobile number and how to I'll show you remaining things. Okay, if you like this video, so you can share and like and subscribe. If you have any comments also, you have any doubts kind of things, you can mention to the comments boxes. Accordingly I'll reply. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.